Like to see those happy faces exactly from 3 years. I believe somebody of you are right after my words wrote that date on your page, but somebody was a bit casual कि हाँ date लिखी तो पर मन में लिख लिया हमने.
In their education and then starting their PhD, like they were working or doing something else, whatever that is, business or whatever. Not go over this, okay?
If anyone wants to ask any question, you can raise your hands. We'll give you a mic and then you can raise your questions. Or else, ma'am is a senior psychologist. You never know if she reads your mind. Rashmi Mittal, madam, Modi Pro-Chancellor, lovely professional university.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you so much. So I'll come inside you so that I am able to interact with you better. So first of all, I would like to congratulate you all to join this prestigious program, which is a PhD program, and this is the highest in order in LPU. So congratulations to all of you. Abhi, I was asking your head, I was asking Rajan, so what do any specific thing you want me to speak to them? He said, बस आप थोड़ा motivate कर दीजिए, बस ये बोल दीजिए कि 3 साल में PhD करें. So this is the mindset of, and that's my blessing also. And because the practice is it said that it takes 6 years, 7 years, to complete your PhD. It said outside, but in LPU we have examples where people have completed their degrees in 3.5 years, right? So my best wishes to all of you to be able to complete your PhD in that much time. And how many of you are sure that they are all set to complete it? How many of you know is into the making of Indian sweets? Right? That's a 70-year-old business, 70 to 80 years old business. And so we decided to venture into education was because we wanted to do something for the society. So with this thing in mind, a lot of other opportunities came up, but education was where we focused on. And in 2001, we started our first journey. We started with one building, which now you see is block number 1, where now it is fashion school. That is the first building, and we started with 250 students and only few faculty. Beforehand, that we have zero tolerance towards alcohol, drug, or anything in the campus. So anybody seen doing it is immediately expelled or suspended or whatever. Depends, right? So we are very strict on that because we believe that if you are disciplined, self-disciplined, it is only then that you can progress.
Otherwise, कोई struggle नहीं है PhD में. Nobel Prize नहीं जीतना PhD से. नोबेल प्राइज किससे जीतना? सॉरी सर, थोड़ा सा डिल्यूट सा बोल रहा हूँ. नोबेल प्राइज जीतना जब अपनी पीएचडी खत्म करने के बाद 3-4 रिसर्च स्कॉलर आपके नीचे काम करने लगेंगे उनके साथ मिलके. ठीक है? पीएचडी का मैनरिज्म सीखो. इट इज जस्ट टू एक्वायर वन मोर हायर डिग्री, बट द ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू मास्टर द स्किल इन द टॉपिक ऑफ योर चॉइस, एंड द ओनली स्ट्रगल इज लैक ऑफ प्लानिंग. इतनी सी कहानी ठीक करी तो मेरी तरह 3 बार भटकना नहीं पड़ेगा, and then you will do your PhD. Thank you and God bless you. Have a beautiful campus life. कैंपस में बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज हैं, हॉस्टल्स हैं, मॉल है, ATMs हैं, बैंक है, पोस्ट ऑफिस हैं, शटल सर्विस.
कंपनी होगा ना उसका कोई गाड़ी